Hey guys, Happy Dude here, and today we're going to replace the M2 badge with a black M2 badge because it's a white car and it looks better. So the first thing to do is measure at which height the logo is. 3 centimeters, and then the corner of the badge to the logo, the distance, and it's 37 centimeters, and then the distance between the M and the 2 is 5 millimeters. Okay, I'm going to write that down. What you're going to need is a heat gun and some glue dissolver, and you can put some on already, a little bit, so it can loosen the glue a bit. Let that soak in for 5 minutes, and then you can use the heat gun on to the badge. I put the heat gun on 150 degrees Celsius, and always keep a distance like 10 centimeters. Check every minute if it starts to come loose, so you don't overheat the paint. And you can see it starts to come loose. And then just go a last time, very close, but not too long. Don't stay in one spot, always move. Voila, that's one. This one is still a bit stuck. The harder it gets, that's the more glue, less glue that sticks on to the car. Oh, that isn't so bad. And then put some glue dissolver onto a rag and rub it on. There's still a little bit on. Just let it soak in for 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, put some more on, and now all the glue will disappear. Okay. It's all gone. And then take some degreaser and some clean paper. And degrease the surface. Always do it twice to make sure it's clean. And then you mask it off onto the distances that I measured earlier. And that's 37 from the BMW logo and 3 centimeters from below. Measure at 2 points so the badge won't be crooked. Okay, 3 centimeters. And then just before you put the new badge on, decrease it again, because from the sticking with your hands there's always some grease on your hands. You don't want that on the surface. And then when you stick it on, put some pressure on for a few seconds, and then the moment of truth. Yes, that looks good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe or give me a like. Bye.